Okay, so now let us take a look at this question. So with this, we have the line PQ and the line RS being two parallel lines, and we have the angle TRS to be 38 degree, and we have the angle TPQ to be 32 degree. Now we have to find the value of the angle marked as M. So there are a lot of ways we can do this. So one way to do this is we can decide to extend this line over here like this. So we extend this line. Then now we can get our Z shape. So this is the Z shape. So now this is going to be 32. Then now we can do 38 plus 32 plus the M is equal to 180. That is the sum of the interior angles of a triangle. Then we solve for that, we get the values of M. That is one way to go about this question. But I'm going to use the alternative over here. That is, I'm going to draw a straight line. I'll draw the straight line over here like this. Then this straight line is parallel to the other two lines over there. So I can first get my Z shape like this. So from this Z shape, it means that this angle and this angle over here are alternate angles, meaning they are the same. Alternate angles are equal. So therefore this is 32. Then I can also have the Z shape like this. So therefore this angle over here and this angle are alternate angles. So therefore this over here is also 38. So I can have a diagram like this. So this angle alternates with this angle, and this angle alternates with this angle. Then now you realize that I have a straight line. So this is a straight line, right? I have a straight line like this, and angles on a straight line add up to 180. So it means that the 32 plus the 38 plus M is equal to 180. So therefore, I can solve my value of M to get M is equal to 110 degree. And that is the final answer.